Hey guys, Tech with Spike here. So I ordered the OnePlus Buds Z the day after the launch on 15th and I received it after a month because of delays due to COVID. This is a budget-friendly fully wireless earphone that OnePlus has provided and it costed me 2990 with the 200 rupee discount of the Diwali offer. It originally cost 3190, comes in a white and grey color. In Amazon it now costs 2999. You might be ready to pay 1500 for these kinds of earphones. But if you want a premium earphone that charges for 10 minutes and can be used for 20 hours, then you should go for these. It comes in a capsule type case which is easy to hold in your hand and very compact. The buds are laying face down and overall build quality of these buds are great. The shape is perfect to be worn on any size of ears and you get rubber tips for a sealed fit which is not provided in the 4000 rupee OnePlus Buds. The opening and closing is very satisfying and it holds its open position which is essential. It has a synchronizing button which can also be used for checking the charge of the case. It uses C-type port for charging. In the other box we get the warranty and manual. And they have also given an invite to the Red Cable Club for special vouchers and offers. And there are totally 3 sizes of silicone ear tips. The cable is a small lengthed one which can be plugged into the USB port of a laptop and it does not attach a data transferring cable for the C-type ported smartphones. If you thought that was a plus point, sorry to disappoint you guys. So thanks for watching. The sound quality was great. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.